When working with parts or assemblies, you can control the way a model is displayed using the Display Style flyout menu from the Heads-Up toolbar. These same display options are available when working with drawings. However, notice that by default the icon is grayed out. In order to activate the icons, I first have to select a view. This is because each view can be displayed differently. For example, I can display the isometric view as shaded, the front view and hidden lines visible, and leave the rest as they are. If you want to change several views at once, you can Control-select them, then choose the display type you want. If you find yourself constantly changing the way your views are displayed, you may find it useful to change the default appearance of all new views you create. This is a setting under Options, Display Style. Save some time by setting this option to the display type you use most often. Note that this setting does not affect views already in place. It will only affect new views you create in the future.